Name the following compound: CH3CHO,
CHO, ethanol.
CH3CHO, ethanol, aldehyde group. CH3CH2OH,
Ethanol.
Draw the structure of chlorohexane. 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 Number of carbon atom? 6. CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. How many carbons? Decade. CH3, CH, chlorohexane. Halogen group, chlorine. Bubu, hexane carbon number 6, hydrogen number 14, but hydrogen number will be 13. Chlorine is attached. CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. Number of carbon atom in a long straight chain is 6. Butanol. Give your attendance. Butanol.
Yes.
Butanol.
CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH.
CH3,
CH2, CH2, CH2OH.
CH2H. Carbon number of carbon is 4. OH functional group is attached.
Alcohol.
Gaurav, which of the following are alkene? C2H6, C2H4. C2H4 is alkene. Why? CnH2n. General formula for alkene is CnH2n. Carbon number 2, hydrogen will be 4. C2H4. Ethene. Which hydrocarbon shows addition oxidation reaction?
Both saturated and unsaturated.
Both
Saturated and unsaturated.
saturated and
Unsaturated.
which carbo compound shows substitution reaction?
Saturated hydrocarbons.
Only by saturated hydrocarbon. Which hydrocarbon shows addition reaction?
Unsaturated and saturated.
Unsaturated
Hydrocarbons.
hydrocarbons. What happens when ethanol is oxidized in the presence of oxidizing agent acidified potassium dichromate
Ethanoic acid is formed.
to form ethanoic acid? What happens when an alkene is undergoes
Alkene is formed.
in the presence of nickel catalyst?
Alkene is formed.
What will form?
Alkane.
Alkane is formed. Unsaturated hydrocarbon undergoes addition reaction to form saturated hydrocarbon. Which type of hydrocarbon gives a sooty flame after burning?
Ester.
Unsaturated.
Which type of hydrocarbon gives sooty flame after burning?
Unsaturated.
Saturated.
Which type of?
Unsaturated.
Saturated.
Unsaturated. Which type of oil should be used for cooking? Which reagent can be used to convert alcohols to carboxylic acid?
Ester.
Which reagent can be used to convert alcohols to carboxylic acid?
Nickel catalyst.
Acidified.
Acidified potassium dichromate or alkaline potassium permanganate? Soap molecules have different properties at their two ends. Its one end is which is soluble in water, which is hydrophilic, and which is soluble in fat or oil, hydrophobic. Mention two uses of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid means acetic acid.
It is used as in vinegar.
It is used for making ester and vinegar. Give any two examples of chemicals that are added to denature the alcohol.
Methanol. Methanol or dye.
Very good. Which one of the following can show addition reaction? C2H4, C2H6, C2H5OH. C2H4. Why C2H4 is a unsaturated hydrocarbon? How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery? How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery? How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery? Here given is charge Q equal to 1 coulomb, potential difference V equal to 6 volt. You have to find W, energy work done in the form of energy. W equal to V into Q. V equal to W by Q. W equal to work done energy equal to V into Q. 1 into 6 joule. 6
Joule.
On what factors does the resistance of a conductor depend?
Of the wire and area cross section
Area cross.
Length of the conductor, area of cross section, nature of the material also.
Nature of conduct.
What determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current? What determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current?
Resistance.
Power, electric power. Energy by an electric iron of resistance 20 ohm. An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current 5 ampere An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds.
Resistance है कितने?
20 ohm. 15,000 joule. H equal to I square RT. Bubu. H equal to I square RT. I square means
20.
5 square into R 20. 25 into
30.
20 into time is 30. 25 with 20. 500 is 30. 15,000 joule or 15 kilojoule. Give your attendance. Those are present on the online. Ekilo. 15 kilojoule heat is developed in 30 seconds. Next, compute the heat generated. Compute by calculate the heat generated while transforming 96,000 coulomb of charge. Write down Q equal to 96,000 coulomb of charge in 1 hour. Time equal to 1 hour. Throw a potential difference of 50 volt. Throw a potential difference of 50 volt. V equal to 50 volt. Charge equal to 96,000 coulomb. Time equal to 1 hour. You have to convert the time hour into second. 1 hour equal to 3600 second. Then H equal to here current is absent. So you have to use the H equal to V into I into T. V into I into T. I can be written as Q into T. V into Q into T by T. T cancel. H equal to V into Q. देखो H equal to I square RT. I is absent. I equal to V equal to लिख लो how much
48,000 kilojoule.
48,000 no
Kilojoule.
48,000 44,800 4800 4800 kilojoule. H equal to V into I into T. H equal to V into I into T equal to V into Q into T by T. V into Q into T by T. T is cancelled.
V into
So H equal to V into Q. 50 into 96,000.
486.
30 ये 40 96 and 5 के 480.
486.
480 50.
50.
How much?
48,000 kilojoule. 4,800 kilojoule.
4,800 kilojoule. How is a voltmeter connected in circuit to measure the potential difference between the 2 points? Good. When a 12 volt battery is connected across when a 12 volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere.
When 12 volt is connected.
When a 12 volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of resistance of resistor. What are given? V equal to 12 volt, I equal to 2.5 milliampere. You have to convert into ampere. I equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Resistance R equal to V by I. Forty 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Oh.